did you do with time? What did you do with money? Sika, it will shock and amaze you. Sika after Wonsam this year, it will amaze you. If I pay and see papers, so you will be shocked. Sit down and tell yourself truth. There are some very wonderful, formidable, amazing, strategic relationships. There are two kinds of people in everybody's life. There are the ones who, when they leave, you must bring an offering of thanksgiving to the Lord because they left you. And there are some that when they leave, you will cry for the rest of your life. So then I have to be able to look at myself and tell the truth. The second group of people, how many of them have left my life? I should sit down and tell myself that Ghana as a nation should be able to sit down and tell truth to ourselves. Tell truth. What's the activity as a catcher? What's the dinkwasiasem? If you in penso abedru sabri. We should be able to tell us. We've been able to, open the gates to aliens to exploit our wealth. Now our wealth is in the hands of strangers, and now we sit here and we are looking for visas to travel outside. The Bible said our fathers are not, but we bear their curses and bear their consequence and ramification. Yeah, we should be able to sit down and ask ourselves why we have exported raw cocoa for years and we don't even think about it. Tell truth to yourself. Raw cocoa beans have been going to Obi Manso for almost 70 years, and they process it and bring it back to me. I thought that Switzerland is the best place for chocolates until I landed in Belgium. Then I realized that the whole world, Belgium is the place for chocolate. And the cocoa is coming from my republic. I went round the shops. I counted brands, and I counted not less than 1,000 brands. 1,000 different kinds of cocoa products.